The Discovery Attender SharePoint component itself is relatively simple and straightforward. Double-click the daspsetup.exe file to begin. Then follow the screens as prompted, beginning with the license agreement. Select the SharePoint Service component for installation, and then choose the destination folder to install the component files. The setup will execute, installing the required components in the chosen directory. And it's installed. Once the setup is complete, the configuration wizard will begin. In order to complete this section, you'll need to know the name and password whose authority the service will run under. You'll also need to know the Universal Resource Indicator, or URI, for the SharePoint server or servers you'll wish to search. Enter the account details that will be used by the Discovery Attender SharePoint component. Now we enter the web service URI to allow the server to communicate with Discovery Attender. If you're not sure about the settings, just leave the defaults. It's a good idea to store these settings for future use, since this data will need to be entered again in the Discovery Attender application console. Once the URI details are entered, setup is complete and the service can be started. Click the Finish button.